Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change or how to customize the alarm ringtone in this device. For this, open the clock application and you can select the alarm that you want to change or customize the alarm ringtone. Otherwise you can easily create a new alarm. So here I am going to change the alarm ringtone for this particular alarm. Tap on this one. So after open this one, you can see some option to customize this alarm settings. So here we can enter the name of this alarm. So here you can see the option ringtone. If you tap on this one, you can see some options. So under system themes, you can see classic themes and acromorphic themes. These themes are inbuilt to ringtones, contains inbuilt ringtone, and from here you can easily select the ringtone. So here I am going to select this one. Now you can see the ringtone is delayed. So here I am going to change the ringtone to realme tone. Now go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed, right? So same this way you can set a ringtone from the acromorphic themes also. You can see the ringtone is changed. So in case if you want to customize or if you want to set the ringtone that you download to a device, tap on the option on this device and it will directly go to the file where you download the mp3 file, and from here you can easily select the ringtone for your particular alarm. So here I am going to select this one. Yeah, I select this one. Now go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So simply in this way you can change or customize the alarm ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.